Scout Automobile, welcome to start. Close your eyes for 1 second and imagine silence, not the empty silence, but the powerful silence that comes when something truly premium arrives. That is exactly the feeling you get the moment the 2026 Range Rover S rolls into view. This is not just an SUV, this is a moving statement, a machine that doesn't shout for attention but still makes everyone turn their head. The 2026 Range Rover S is built for people who don't need to prove anything, because their presence already speaks loud enough. From the very first glance, the design feels calm, confident, and dangerously elegant. The body lines are cleaner than ever before, almost like the SUV has been sculpted out of liquid metal. There is nothing unnecessary here, no extra drama, no forced aggression. Everything is smooth, balanced, and perfectly placed. The front face looks bold yet peaceful, with slimmer LED headlights that feel like sharp eyes watching the road ahead. The grille is more refined, more mature, showing that luxury doesn't need to be loud to be powerful. As you walk around the 2026 Range Rover S, you start noticing details that separate it from ordinary luxury SUVs. The flush door handles sit perfectly within the body, popping out only when needed, giving the side profile a seamless look. The roofline flows gently toward the back, creating a strong but graceful silhouette. This SUV looks just as comfortable parked outside a 5-star hotel as it does standing tall in the middle of rough terrain. Step inside, and the world outside instantly disappears. The cabin of the 2026 Range Rover S feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car interior. The materials are soft, rich, and carefully selected. Every surface you touch feels premium, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the smooth wood and metal trims. There is no rush here, no clutter. Everything feels calm, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. The seats deserve special attention. They are not just seats, they are personal comfort zones. Deep cushioning, perfect support, and advanced adjustment options allow you to find your ideal position within seconds. Whether you're driving for 10 minutes or 10 hours, the Range Rover S makes sure your body feels relaxed and refreshed. The front seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, turning everyday drives into moments of pure comfort. The rear seats are just as impressive. Passengers in the back are treated like VIPs, with generous legroom, premium materials, and a peaceful atmosphere. This is the kind of SUV where people actually enjoy sitting in the back, not just tolerate it. Long journeys feel shorter, traffic feels less stressful, and every ride feels special. Technology inside the 2026 Range Rover S is advanced but never overwhelming. The central touchscreen is large, clear, and incredibly responsive. It controls almost everything, from navigation and media to climate and vehicle settings. The interface feels smooth and modern, designed to be used without distraction. Everything reacts quickly, making the experience feel natural and intuitive. The digital driver display is fully customizable, allowing you to see exactly what you want, the way you want it. Speed, navigation, driving modes, and vehicle information are presented in a clean and elegant layout. It feels like the car understands you, adapting to your preferences instead of forcing you to adapt to it. Sound quality inside the 2026 Range Rover S is nothing short of spectacular. The premium audio system fills the cabin with rich, clear sound, whether you're listening to soft music or deep bass tracks. The cabin insulation is so well done that outside noise barely enters, creating a peaceful environment where music, conversation, and silence all feel equally enjoyable. Now let's talk about performance, because beneath all that luxury, the Range Rover S still carries serious power. The 2026 model comes with refined engine options designed to deliver smooth strength rather than aggressive chaos. Acceleration feels effortless, almost silent, as the SUV glides forward with confidence. You don't feel the engine working hard because it doesn't need to. Power is always there, waiting calmly under your foot. Driving the Range Rover S feels incredibly composed. The steering is light but precise, making this large SUV surprisingly easy to handle. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the vehicle feels stable and controlled. The advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and imperfections effortlessly, making rough roads feel smooth and polished. What truly sets the Range Rover S apart is its ability to switch personalities. On the road, it behaves like a luxury sedan, smooth, quiet, and refined. But when the road ends and the terrain gets challenging, the Range Rover S transforms into a confident off-road machine. Advanced all-wheel drive systems, terrain response modes, and intelligent traction control allow it to handle mud, sand, snow, and rocky paths with ease. This is where the heritage of Range Rover shines. The 2026 Range Rover S doesn't forget where it came from. It respects its roots as a capable off-road vehicle while embracing modern luxury and technology. Few SUVs in the world can balance these two worlds so perfectly. Safety in the 2026 Range Rover S is taken very seriously. The SUV is packed with advanced driver assistance features designed to protect you and your passengers at all times. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and driver attention alerts work quietly in the background, always ready to step in if needed. What makes these systems special is how smoothly they operate. They don't feel intrusive or annoying. Instead, they feel supportive, like an extra set of eyes watching over you. This creates confidence behind the wheel, especially during long drives or busy traffic situations. Fuel efficiency has also been improved in the 2026 model. Thanks to smarter engine management and lightweight construction, the Range Rover S delivers better mileage without sacrificing performance. It's a reminder that luxury and responsibility can coexist in the modern world. Every small detail inside the Range Rover S has been carefully thought out. Storage spaces are well placed, cup holders feel solid, buttons have a satisfying click, and even the ambient lighting adds to the overall mood. At night, the cabin glows softly, creating a relaxing atmosphere that makes every drive feel special. Owning a 2026 Range Rover S is not just about transportation. It's about lifestyle. It's about arriving with confidence, traveling in comfort, and knowing that your vehicle reflects your taste and success. This is the kind of SUV that doesn't age quickly. Its design, quality, and presence are timeless. When you drive the Range Rover S, you don't feel rushed. The car encourages you to slow down, to enjoy the journey, to appreciate the road ahead. Even in traffic, it creates a bubble of calm around you, separating you from the stress outside. For families, it offers space, safety, and comfort. For professionals, it offers prestige and reliability. For adventure lovers, it offers capability and confidence. The 2026 Range Rover S doesn't try to fit into one category because it doesn't need to. It creates its own space. This SUV is built for people who understand true luxury. Not the flashy kind, but the deep, meaningful luxury that you feel every day. The kind of luxury that makes you smile quietly when you sit behind the wheel. The kind that doesn't need validation. In a world full of noisy designs and aggressive styling, the 2026 Range Rover S stands out by being calm, powerful, and confident. It doesn't chase trends, it sets standards. It doesn't follow the crowd, it leads quietly from the front. The moment you shut the door and the outside world fades away, you realize something important. This is not just another SUV. This is a sanctuary on wheels. A place where comfort meets strength, where technology meets tradition, and where every journey feels meaningful. The 2026 Range Rover S is not for everyone, and that is exactly the point. It's for those who appreciate quality over quantity, presence over noise, and confidence over attention. It's for those who know that true power doesn't need to shout.